Love Korean food, then you are in the right place. Keep watching.
Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So today I am inside my kitchen. That is my old karai. Actually, it's my mom's karai. So let it be like that. Mom support. So today I am going to prepare a Korean recipe. It's not authentic Korean because there will be some modification. The name of the recipe is Korean style Pomfret stew.
The ingredients are in the description box. First, you have to cut the pomfret like this, and then some styling, chop the green onions, and after that chop this spring onions and pepper, and then parsley, and mix. You have to mix everything in a bowl. There is a surprise for you. This is the ASMR video also. So start. Time to heat some oil, and after that fry the fish. Time to make the sauce and the stew fish also. So where you will get the detailed recipe? Of course, Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. It's already done, and for the food order definitely you check Facebook and Google Madhurima's Kitchen. So you like the recipe? Go for the detailed one.